Well, students, just I have discussed the sine inverse of sine x is equal to x, but here sine x of sine inverse x is equal to what? X. Sine of sine inverse x is equal to x. Now, and where x belongs to minus 1 to 1, this is important. This is very important. Generally, students do not write the interval while solving the problem of principal value. Generally, it has been noticed that generally students do not write the interval. So, how will you remember the interval? You first see here sine of sine inverse is equal to x, cos of cos inverse is equal to x, tan of tan inverse is equal to x, cosec of cosec inverse is equal to x, sec of sec inverse is equal to x, and cot of cot inverse x is equal to x. X belongs to y. So how will you remember where the x lies? Now you see, first technique is you put finger. This is angle. Sine of angle. The value of sine of any angle lies between minus 1 to 1. Minus 1 to 1. One reason. Another. Sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is possible only when x belongs to minus 1 to 1. Domain of this angle will be minus 1 to 1. So now proof is very easy. Let sine inverse x, this is a composite function, you keep in your mind. Sine of sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is equal to theta, where x belongs to minus 1 to 1. That is sine theta is equal to x. That is sine of sine inverse x. Similarly, we can prove other results. In this way, what do you observe? Tell me honestly. We observe that if you do all the properties by yourself, then only you can remember the domain and range of the inverse function. Inverse function. So, in this way, by doing all the problems, you will, or you can remember, not only remember the domain and range, but while solving the problem of inverse circular function, then you would be able to write the correct interval and you will get full marks. This type of problems are very, very important for the purpose of examination, and in these days MCQ type question will be asked, so you should prepare yourself well by knowing the domain and range of the not only trigonometrical function but its inverse also. Thank you very much.